Yo, Selena back in this bitch. About to get lit. What's up? What's up? Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Today was gonna be a makeup tutorial. Hey, let's get right into it. Y'all already know I do my eyebrows off camera. They third cousins. They're like this, not like this. Moving on. If you want to see the updated look of how I do my eyebrows, it will be in the clouds. Look up to the skies in the clouds. Anyway, let's get into it. Let me prime my face with this wow. I gotta get this shit together because it's all over the place. Alright. I'm using my like I said, wow matte face primer. I actually need to go find another good drugstore primer or just the overall, cause you know Rihanna, I like Rihanna shit, but Rihanna's a little pricey right now because my coins are not set up the way I want them to be set up. So, well, my abundance is here, but it's just not even distributed yet. So we're not gonna get into that. All right. So did that. Let me put a little bit more of this LA Girl Pro Concealer Color Toast. We're fun on my lids and get my sponge. And all right, let's get into this. Y'all already knew I use, y'all knew, like I said what I said. Y'all already knew that I use the Matte Book Crayon Case by Super Scent. Shout out to Super Hey Friend. Yeah, so we're gonna get into it. I really don't even know really what colors I want to do. I don't know if I want to go with my ensemble of a shirt here or, you know, just wing that hoe. But we're just gonna dip in it. I do want to actually do, I'm feeling a little bright today, so I think I am gonna dip into orange with this elf brush, and I'm gonna go not in my crease, but like above my crease, as you can see here. Pat it in, I don't with each other. Bright colors, the colors of the rainbow are right where we need them to be. The colors of a rainbow, star sweet. Thank you very much. Move the motor brush, put the yellow. I don't know what I'm really gonna do. I'm just going with the flow, guys. I don't want to be brighting. Gotta hang on to you. Think I might put, I don't want to fuck it up though. I don't want to fuck it up though. Hey, I want to fuck it up though. Okay. I'm thinking matter how hard it gets. Say goodbye. Don't leave me with regrets now. We haven't finished yet. And I'm gonna take this brush right here. It's just a blender brush. I'm just blend that out a little, that brown out a little bit though. No matter. No cut crease today, guys. No, we're not. No. You said no. Damn it. Leave me alone, damn it. You said no. Can't you take no for an answer? We're gonna dip dough into the. I'll put some lashes on too. Got me some new glue. Pop up on hoes, you feel me? We're gonna dip into this, Sissima. I'm gonna dip into this orange out the crayon case. Why not? Cause we're grown, aren't we? I'm dropping shit. I'm dropping things, items that I need. We'll be back after these messages. I need to get my shit. I do want to do a wing, just like a baby one, but not too much. I'm gonna just start from the back, like right there, like right here. I'm not gonna do too much. I do want to put. Like that. You see her? Do you see her? Period. I did what I did. I had to do. I popped my shit. I know I did. Leave me alone. Don't talk to me. I'm done with that, guys. Now, I'm gonna get to these little lashes. Alright, I got this from Amazon. It was like 16 pairs. It's like double. So like 2 of each, different pairs. Let's see what this glue do. I think I'm gonna use the right here. We finna do, see what it do. We finna put the little glue on. Where the glue at? Where's the glue? Okay, all right. I don't even know why I put the glue, guys. I put it in here. I need to organize this a little bit more because this is too much for me. But I pop my shit on these wigs though, but we ain't gonna get into that. Stop talking to me. Alright, let's dig into this glue. It is black. I got this from City Trez. Shots for less. You hear me? City Trez, that shit. Grip bond. Okay, this is how I look like this. Grip bond eyelash adhesive. Period. 7G black. This is how. This is the container. Can't be it or whatever. Like this. So like that. And I had put. This is how I look. Damn. I think this was like $3.99. It was to the back. It's eBay, New York. Yeah. You and I for eternal sunshine. Maybe you can be my baby boy. Maybe you can be your baby girl. Maybe we can spend some time. Your sunshine. Yeah. Okay. It ain't. Let me see. Let me read the directions. Okay. Oh shit. 15 seconds been passed. Wait. What are you doing? First off, you're not finna fuck up my look. You're supposed to be holding it down, B.O.B. and You're not. You're not doing anything you're supposed to be doing. Listen, maybe is it me? Is it me? Is it me? I don't think it's me. I don't. To me, to be honest, I don't think it's me. See, I know it's not me. It's not me. Either I need to learn how to put on lashes right, or me and somebody gon' fight. But I don't think it's me. I don't think it's me. You can see him, but you can't really see him. See, it's like, can you tell I got like, yeah, you can. It do look different. And then the glue, because I was talking shit, you gonna disappear. My bad. I apologize. Now I'm starting to think it's not me. It's definitely likely not me, because why would I put myself through this? For you guys. The whole look will just be way better with some damn lashes. Damn, can I get one thing? Can I get one thing? See, that's why all of us hood girls use that fucking bonding glue. Cause that shit be laying it down. Lay it down. Well, I'm not a hood girl, but shit, that's why all the hood, the people that stay in the hood, you know, it's on there, but it ain't like, it's on there enough. I'm gonna leave that hoe alone, cause, baby, ain't got time. I'm gonna use a little bit of this black to put at the bottom of my lash line, because I fucked it up when I Fit Me Poreless. Maybe it's Maybelline. I'm in 375 Java. I couldn't get it out because, you know, I'm gonna try this again to see how it works, but I'm gonna also pair with my Fit Me loose setting powder. I'm gonna set this down on my face. Underneath my eyes. Forehead. Nose underneath right there. And then I'm going to zip into this. I wish they had like a little sponge little thing. Instead of like, you know what I mean? Yeah, my nose ring fell out. I'm really upset about it. I need to go get another one. I don't think it's gonna close, but you never gonna get it. You never gonna get it. Okay, now I'm gonna take my concealer in the color Toast. My banana setting powder to set underneath. Tears right together. Not the crack cocaine. Don't talk to me. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little highlight. That's it. And then my lip. I'm gonna use this Vacation from the 3D highlighter palette from Black Radiance. Like that. Don't worry about it. Then the nose. Yes, I'm using my fingers. Do my little cheeks. Use my NYX setting spray. I just spray a little bit on the, so I can get the most effect out of the highlighter. And I'm gonna take this brush right here and just blend it. And that is it. Let me do my lip. Let me get the same multi-purpose. Don't play with me. Multi-purpose. Like that. And then I'm just gonna use, I don't even know what that. I guess I do this right here, but I don't think it's nothing really in there. Hell no. I need to get some more. So, man, and I'm gonna just spray my face. Cause for a little dry though, for a little dry. And then the little earrings in, and we're all done. Y'all actually enjoyed doing this look. It's something different. And you know, I was me, you know me, cut crease princess, stop talking to me, you know. But got this done. If you have any requests, any colors that you guys want me to do, any styles of makeup you want me to do or try out, let me know. Put your thoughts down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. SALINA out there, bit. Stay lit. Bye, cousins.